Okay.
Go ahead, Will. Break it down for us.
This is a GIF here.
Wow.
I can't really explain it because it just seems like it's a Reddit post, and I think it's just there's something wrong with the video game of real life. So things are happening on the screen. There's a guy on the street. I think he's drunk or high on drugs, standing in the middle, and then a car passes by.
What?
With a horse and a buggy, and then the guy on the carriage of the horse falls off.
Does he?
While
does he
the
poop his
drunk
pants as he
guy
falls off?
he just keeps walking backwards. It's such a weird.
You have to play it again. Okay.
Watch when the guy falls off. I think he craps his pants.
Standing, looking. I think he probably just spills something. The car goes past.
It's like a glitch in the Matrix.
The car's pulling. The car is pulling that wagon.
Yes.
Why would you do that with a horse on the front?
That doesn't make no sense. And this guy is just.
This guy just falls off the screen.
The horse wasn't willing to go. They hooked it up to the car, and this guy is like on the lookout, so no other cars come down the street.
No, this guy's in his own world.
No, he's just.
He doesn't know what's happening.
He's the lookout.
No, he doesn't know what's happening.
It's like a movie. It's like it's like Home Alone. You know the two bad guys?
Yeah, Harry and Marv. This is like when you play Cyberpunk and it's broke up.
Well, yeah, hence the title and the meme.
Shipwreck.
This is from 2018. I wonder if it's the first time it surfaced. I mean, it's an incredible clip.
It's just a lot of random things that seem to happen all at once, and it's captured perfectly on camera.
Yeah, of the whole world that this camera could have been aimed at, it was aimed right there.
Yes.
When at this point in the day, when this happened. That's crazy.
Give it to me one more time, Will. Just give it to me one more time, please. I mean, this is... car's coming. Guy is just glued looking at something. He's like, okay, car. Even the way the guy falls. It's so, yeah, he spills something over there. It spills out of his hand. It's probably a beer. Or some kind of a drink.
He keeps backing up.
He just falls into the thing. Okay. It's a beautiful, I mean, it's obviously a beautiful.
Oh, man.
It's a very beautiful clip.
Oh.